Industry's path towards digitization and Industry 4.0 is an imperative. It is no longer a luxury. We worked together with industrial players across vast industries in the Emirates to ensure that technology adoption becomes part of their core development and growth. Only through that can we build in resilience and to the fabric of our industrial sector. Industry Transformation Technology Index allows us to do that, together with our partners across the industrial sector.
By automating the welding process, we have enhanced the production capacity by 35%, improved the weld quality by 42%, while reducing the work content to just half.
Implementing Industry 4.0 solutions such as ASRS translates to reduced operational costs and improved efficiency. This provides manufacturers in the UAE a competitive edge in the global market.
Our journey with automation saves the future, setting new standards for quality, productivity and safety in pipe industry.
Etihad Paper Mill is currently procuring all of its raw material from sustainable resources, mainly the wood fiber. So wood fiber is coming from sustainable resources.
AI will be the driving force behind the smart factories of tomorrow. It will empower manufacturers to reach newer heights in operational excellence.
Let us continue to work together to ensure full industrial transformation towards Industry 4.0 for all industries in the Emirates.